Meaning of fern.
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 Fern. A fern is a type of non-flowering, vascular plant that reproduces via spores. They typically have fronds or leaves that are divided into smaller segments and can either be evergreen or deciduous. Ferns prefer to grow in damp, shady environments and can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, swamps, and rocky areas. They play an important role in ecosystems by providing food and habitat for various animals and contributing to soil health. In addition, certain species of ferns have been used in traditional medicine for their medicinal properties.